Okay guys, this video is to show you how to draw the pie chart. Open your booklet page 86. Here you have to draw, it says the table shows the favorite color chosen by 30 pupils. We have colors blue, green, red, yellow and purple. Construct a pie chart to represent the information and show all your working. At the beginning, I have to know that this pie chart looks like a circle and all the angles around the center is 360. So I have to divide this circle into sectors. Each sector represents one of my colors. So I have to know the angle of each sector. The total angle of the angles around the center is 360 and the total number of pupils is 30. So I have to know each color how many degrees. The blue has 8 pupils out of the 30 and I want to know how many degrees out of the 360. So I'm going to multiply 8 times 360 over the 30. 8 out of the 30, I'm going to explain it why. Because I have a number of students which is 8 out of total 30 students. I need to know how many degrees out of total 360 degrees. So you have to make like scissor way, okay? So it's 8 times 360 divided 30. This 30 represents the total of the number here, but this 360 represents the total of angles, okay? So this will be equal to 8 times 12, which is 96 degrees. Okay, now for the green, I'm going to multiply 6 times 360 divided 30 because it's 3 out of the 30. So it's 72 degrees. Okay, so the green will be 72 degrees, the blue will be 96 degrees. What about the 10? It will be 120 degrees. How do I get it? You can divide 360 divided the 30 gives me 12. And then multiply this 12 by each number. This is a shortcut. But from where did you get the 12? It's 360 divided the total of the data. Now I'm going to make 4 times 12, which is 48. 2 times 12, which is 24. Now to draw my pie chart, I draw a circle and at the beginning I draw one radius, okay? First radius, I put for myself number 1. I'm going to put the protractor, the point on the center, this line on the radius, like this, okay? And then go from the direction of the radius, not from the other direction. I want to draw 96 degrees, so this is 90, 95, 96. Here is my 96. Draw another radius for this. This angle is 96 degrees. Label your sector with the name of the color. Okay, and the latest radius you draw, write on it number 2. So the next step, 72 degrees, will be drawn from radius 2. Also this point on the center and this line on radius 2. I'm going from the direction of the radius, so from this direction, 72 degrees. Take care that you have 2 readings in your protractor. One of them is 180, 170, 160, means 180 and decreasing. But the other reading is 0, 10, 20, 30, means 0 and increasing. You have to follow the 0 and increasing, wherever your direction is. Okay? So this is 72 I'm going to make another radius, which is radius 3. Now this, and label this with green. Okay, now we have to draw the red sector. I have to draw a 120. I'm going to put this point on the center and this line on my radius, and take the protractor, read the reading from the direction from where the radius is. It's from here, so I'm going to read 0 going up till 120. So here is my angle, and draw a new radius, which is 4. Now I drew the red, so I have to label it with the red. You have to draw a 48, so if I put this on the center and the line on the radius 4, I have to go from this direction because my radius is from this direction. Going 48 degrees, here is 40, 45, and this is 48. And then draw. Now, no use to, if I measure the rest, it will be 24 degrees. Label each بقى, so this is yellow, and this is purple. Okay, I'm going to draw the next one. Construct the table shows the mode transport the pupil used to get to school. So construct a pie chart. Here actually he didn't give me the total like the previous question. So I have to add them. 10 plus 25 plus 6 plus 15 plus 2. The total is 58. I'm going to repeat it to make sure. 10 plus 25 plus 6 plus 15 plus 2. Actually, yes, they are 58. Okay, and the total angle is 360. So I'm going to calculate the angles of walk. It's 10 times 360, all divided by 58. This is walk. Calculate the bus. It's 25 times 360 divided 58. About the bike, it's 6 times 360 divided 58. About the car, it's 15 times 360 divided 58. Okay, and the rest will be no use to calculate it because it will be the rest of the pie chart. Okay, let's calculate it. You can use your calculator. So don't worry if you see it with decimal. It's 62.06. So we are going to say it's 62 degrees. 25 times 360 divided 58, it will be 155.20, which is 155. Okay, and the next one is 6 times 360 divided 58, which is 37, about 37 degrees. Okay, the next one is 15 times 360 divided 58 is 93 degrees. You can see that the rest will be a little bit more because of the approximating of these previous ones. Now, to draw it back on the pie chart, the first thing is to draw a radius 1. And then put this point on the center and this line on my radius. No, it's not on my radius, so I have to adjust it like this. And draw 62, read 62 and put my point. Now, this is the 62, which this is walk. Have to label it. And this is radius 2. Put again on radius 2. Here it is on radius 2, exactly this on the center. And draw 155. This is 150, this is 155. So here is the radius. No use to complete till this point. I need just only the radius, okay? So this is radius 3, and this label it with bus. Now I have the bike, which is 37. Put it on the radius, and this on the center, and 37. Here is the 37. So draw a new radius. This is radius 4. Okay, label it with bike. Okay, now the car is 93, so I have to put this here in the center, put this on the radius, move from this direction. This is 91 to, and this is 93. Okay, this is the car and the rest by taxi. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy it and understand well. Thanks.